Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Destiny 2 application using your mobile device. First of all, open up your Destiny 2 application and from the main homepage, click on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Now, click on the Settings menu from the list. To log out or sign out of your account, click on the Sign Out button at the bottom of the screen under Settings. Click on Sign Out in the pop-up to confirm, and you will then be able to log out of your Destiny 2 account. To log in back again, sign in with your Bungie.net account by tapping on the Sign In button at the top of the screen whenever necessary. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.